Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Mitch Clark handmade knife gunstock here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this bad boy right over here. Look at that, this is a big boy. 3.7 inch long cutting edge, 3.8 inch long blade, 4.9 inch long handle for an overall length of 8.5 inches. So yeah, not a small boy by any means, but boy, this is a good one. This is a custom knife made in South Africa. It's the Gunstock from Mitch Clark. It's a fantastic liner lock. It's truly gorgeous. GR5 blasted and blackened scales, titanium scales with some like sandblast finish for the flats, and the bronze anodization going on the chamfer of the liners. Really nice touch. You got a titanium satin back spacer, which is reaching like up to this point, of course, like perfectly centered blade, which actually, look at that, almost like touches the back spacer. So all the space, it has been optimized. You got blackened stainless steel screws. This guy's running on bearings. You got a ceramic detent. You have the pivot is cemented on the lock bar side right over here. It's a newest edition, I mean newest version, newest model of this gunstock is a 2021. And it's a front flipper with the M390 Bowler 63 HRC hand rub satin blade, full flat grind. The action on this fellow is just like out of this world, just like ridiculously smooth. Pretty cool front flipper. You can just do like you can just like flip it like this, no problem whatsoever. The jimping this guy has is second to none, just pure perfection. It just flies open, and I mean, here you got your sharpening choil. You got this area here, which is, look at that, I don't know if you can see, but this is done to perfection. It's just fantastically done. Zero hot spots in the hand. It's just a gorgeous knife. Crowned blade, beautiful profile. Like, it's just like really a gorgeous one. The action, the sound, the ergos, the look, I think, guys, this is a home run. They're just like probably the size that is a little bit too big, but he checks out big time. I mean, it's just a gorgeous one. Let's see the weight on this fella. 4.59 ounces, so not too shabby for a liner lock this big. It is pretty good. The sound, just clock and think and clock and think. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a gorgeous knife. Zero hot spots. It's a beauty. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.